Today I'll be discussing whether soy consumption is actually bad for humans. Soybeans are a type of legume native to East Asia, and they've been cultivated for thousands of years for their high protein and nutritional value. The soybean is the seed of the soy plant and comes in a small, round form, typically yellow but sometimes black or green. Soybeans can be eaten whole or processed into foods like tofu, soy milk, miso, and soy sauce. So about their effect on our health. A common belief about soy is that it increases estrogen and in hand decreases testosterone. This is because soy contains a compound called phytoestrogens, which, as you can probably tell by the name, are similar to estrogen, the female sex hormone. The idea is that phytoestrogens act and mimic estrogen in our bodies, giving us feminine effects like gynecomastia or man boobs, decreased muscle mass, or increased fat gain. However, the thing most people forget to mention is that phytoestrogens, when tested in animal or human models, have been found to be 1,000 to 10,000 times less potent than estrogen. This makes the effects of these phytoestrogens to be completely negligible, especially when having soy in normal amounts within a diet. And the science backs this up. A meta-analysis done in 2021 of over 40 studies concluded that regardless of dose, and study duration, neither soy protein or isoflavone exposure affect total testosterone, free testosterone, estradiol, which is the most potent form of estrogen, and estrone, which is a weaker form of estrogen. This covered broad soy intake levels and durations and still found no statistical effect. So basically, soy doesn't lower testosterone or increase estrogen. So people worrying about whether they can drink their soy milk or miso soup, go right ahead, you are eating a healthy food. Or are you? Soy, during the production process, has been genetically modified to be able to withstand herbicides, especially glyphosate. This means that farmers can spray the crops with herbicides, killing the weeds and not harming the soybean. However, some weeds have grown resistant to glyphosate, which results in farmers using higher doses and multiple different types of herbicides besides glyphosate, like dicamba. This means the soybeans being harvested have been hosed down and contaminated by these herbicides, and unfortunately, these herbicides aren't harmless. The World Health Organization has categorized glyphosate as a probable human carcinogen, meaning it probably causes cancer. Glyphosate also causes many other health problems. It causes inflammation by increasing unstable molecules in the cells. These damage cell structures and DNA, triggering an inflammatory response. It also increases risk of many chronic diseases like prostate cancer, non-Hodgkin lymphoma, and thyroid dysfunction. It also increases oxidative stress, damages your mitochondria, causes damage to your gut, and can even disrupt hormones. So, although soy consumption doesn't directly reduce our testosterone or increase estrogen, this means industrially farmed soybeans, which is 99% of the soy that exists in the ingredients of our food, should be avoided when possible. I'm currently offering a pre-sale price on an online course which delves into topics just like these in more detail. The link is in the description if you're interested. Thanks for watching.